The JAHJAH Foundation celebrates their 5th anniversary. The first ever black tie affair. This Saturday, April 9. A night for cocktails and dinner. From 7 to 11 p.m. MC is Devin Malcolm from Power 106 Jamaica. Keynote speaker, the outspoken Dr. Alfred Dawes, the past president of the Jamaican Medical Doctors Association. Along with special guests. Back in New Jersey for this special event. Live from Jamaica, My Dream, Nesbeth.
My dream, my dream.
This Saturday, April 9, celebrate with JAHJAH Foundation for their 5th anniversary. The first ever black tie affair. A night for cocktails and dinner at the Great Cliff Manor, 122 Moonachie Avenue, Moonachie, New Jersey. All proceeds go towards continuing our mission to improve the healthcare in Jamaica. Donation is only $135. Tickets available at Island Spice and Tina, People's Choice Restaurant in East Orange. Tickets are also available at jahjahfoundation.org. So this Saturday, April 9, support the organization that supports Jamaica's public health system, the JAHJAH Foundation.
Bring back with sweet Jamaica.
For further information, call 917-531-3699.
My dream, my dream.